Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to drive traffic with Pinterest. So if you have in here a product that you're actually selling and you want to drive traffic to this particular product using Pinterest, what you can do is you can head over and then first download this particular product image, and then once you have downloaded this, you can head over right here to your Pinterest. Now click on this plus icon on the bottom and then click on this pin right here, and then from in there, just head over and then choose the photo that you have just downloaded. So for me, I'll head over and then choose that photo and then click on next right here. Once you have clicked on next, you should be able to see the next page, but if you can't see that, you can head over and then wait for this to load. Now just title this pin. So as you can see right here, the title of this particular product is this. So we have this right here. So this is actually Amazon Essentials Women Fluid Twill. So head over and copy this right here and then paste it right here. So just tell this and then put in here some mentions or hashtags. So for example, let's put in here some mentions about dress, about twirl, and all of that. So let's put in the here. Let's also put another one, like for example, Amazon. And then from in there, head over and click on this done option right there. You can see the link right here, so you can add the link to here. Now let's copy the link we have right here for Amazon. And then let's paste it right here on the link section. Now you can also add this to the word that you have. For me, I'll add it on my profile. And you can also choose in here the tag topics that you can choose from, like for example, dress or fashion. So you can search in here for that, then click on done. And then in here you can also tag products and you can also choose some advanced settings. So when you click on this tag products right here, you should be able to search the product by product name. Once you're done with that, click on this create option right here, and as you can see, this will post the pin that we have created. Once it's been posted, just wait for this pin to be known by other people who's searching for a dress. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks!